Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step into a vibrant oasis with an orange Moroccan living room design. This space is a celebration of warmth, energy, and cultural flair, transporting you to the heart of a Moroccan riad. Key characteristics: saturated orange walls. The focal point is the use of a rich, saturated orange on the walls. This bold color creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, reminiscent of a desert sunset. Contrasting accents. The orange is beautifully offset by contrasting accents. Deep blues, cool greens, and touches of black create visual interest and prevent the space from feeling overwhelming. Patterned textiles. Moroccan design is synonymous with intricate patterns. Colorful throw pillows. Beni Aurain rugs with geometric designs and patterned wall hangings add layers of texture and cultural flavor. Architectural details. Arched doorways, decorative plasterwork on ceilings, and ornately carved furniture legs add a touch of grandeur and architectural interest. Metallic touches. Gold or brass accents, like lamps, decorative trays, or intricate metalwork on furniture, add a touch of luxury and shine. Leather ottomans and poufs. Leather ottomans and poufs in rich brown tones provide comfortable seating options and a nod to traditional Moroccan style. Lanterns and candlelight. Warm, ambient lighting is key. Lanterns with intricate metalwork cast beautiful patterned shadows on walls. And strategically placed candles create a magical ambience. Plants and natural elements. Large potted plants like palms or ficus trees add a touch of life and soften the bold color scheme. Woven baskets and natural wood furniture elements connect the space to nature. Overall vibe. An orange Moroccan living room design is a vibrant and energetic space that celebrates cultural heritage. It's a space that invites conversation, relaxation, and a touch of exotic luxury. Extra touches. Mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors can help bounce light around the room, making it feel more spacious. Ornate frames add another layer of cultural influence. Ottoman trays. Decorative metal trays placed on ottomans can serve as a base for drinks, candles, or small decorative items. Fresh flowers. A vibrant bouquet of fresh flowers in colorful hues adds a touch of life and fragrance to the space. By incorporating these elements and personalizing them to your taste, you can create a stunning orange Moroccan living room that is both visually striking and a welcoming haven for relaxation and entertaining. An orange Moroccan living room design offers a unique blend of warmth, cultural flair, and visual intrigue. Here are some compelling reasons to consider this vibrant style for your living space: energy and enthusiasm. Bold statement. The saturated orange walls create a vibrant and energetic atmosphere, perfect for entertaining or simply lifting your spirits after a long day. Warmth and welcome. The orange hue evokes a sense of warmth and hospitality, making your living room an inviting space for friends and family to gather. A burst of creativity. The bold orange color encourages creativity and conversation, making it a great space for brainstorming ideas or enjoying lively discussions. Cultural celebration. A touch of Morocco. This design transports you to the heart of a Moroccan riad, celebrating the rich cultural heritage and vibrant colors of the region. Conversation starter. The unique design is sure to be a conversation starter, sparking curiosity and admiration from your guests. Embrace the exotic. Bring a touch of the exotic into your home, offering a unique escape from the ordinary. Visual interest and design versatility. A feast for the eyes. The interplay of orange with contrasting colors and intricate patterns creates a visually stimulating and captivating space. Personalize your oasis. This design can be adapted to various levels of intensity. You can choose a slightly less saturated orange or add pops of orange through textiles and accessories for a subtler touch. Mix and match. Moroccan design blends well with other styles. Consider incorporating mid-century modern furniture with clean lines or bohemian touches like macrame wall hangings to create a unique fusion style. Overall, an orange Moroccan living room design offers a bold and beautiful way to transform your space. It injects warmth, energy, and cultural flair, making it a vibrant and inviting haven for relaxation, entertaining, and celebrating the beauty of Moroccan design. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream orange Moroccan living room. Planning and assessment. 1. Measure your space. Measure your living room and create a detailed sketch of the layout. Consider existing furniture placement, doorways, and windows. 2. Define your orange shade. Moroccan design utilizes a range of orange hues. Research online resources and pictures of Moroccan living rooms to find an orange shade that resonates with you. Consider factors like the size of your room and the amount of natural light it receives. A lighter orange can work well in smaller rooms, while a richer, more saturated shade can create a dramatic effect in larger spaces. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. Consider the cost of paint, furniture, if needed, textiles, lighting, decorative elements, and any architectural modifications, like adding moldings. Prioritize key elements like painting the walls, acquiring a statement rug, and incorporating some Moroccan-inspired furniture or ottomans. Design and color scheme. 1. Embrace the bold. Commit to painting your walls in your chosen shade of orange. Don't be afraid of the bold color, the contrasting accents and textured elements will balance the vibrancy. 2. Contrasting accents. Select contrasting colors for furniture, textiles, and architectural details. Deep blues, cool greens, and touches of black create visual interest and prevent the space from feeling overwhelming. 3. Flooring. Opt for a neutral-colored floor like light beige or cream to ground the space and balance the boldness of the orange walls. Furniture and textiles. 1. Seating. Leather ottomans and poufs are classic choices, offering comfortable seating and a nod to Moroccan style. Consider incorporating a low-profile sofa or armchairs in a contrasting color, deep blue, for example. 2. Rugs. A Beni Aurain rug with geometric patterns in black and white or cream and brown adds a touch of Moroccan flair and texture. Three. Throw pillows. Layer throw pillows with vibrant colors and intricate patterns on your sofa and ottomans. 4. Wall hangings. Moroccan-inspired tapestries or woven wall hangings add pops of color and cultural influence. Lighting and ambience. 1. Warm and inviting. Focus on creating a warm and inviting ambience. Floor lamps with ornate metalwork bases. Strategically placed table lamps and strategically placed sconces provide layered lighting. 2. Lanterns and candlelight. Incorporate Moroccan lanterns with intricate metalwork for a touch of magic and beautiful patterned shadows on the walls. Add strategically placed candles for a warm glow in the evenings. 3. Mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors can help bounce light around the room, making it feel more spacious. Ornate frames add another layer of cultural influence. Finishing touches. 1. Metallic accents. Gold or brass accents, like lamps, decorative trays, or intricate metalwork on furniture legs, add a touch of luxury and shine. 2. Plants and natural elements. Large potted plants like palms or ficus trees add a touch of life and soften the bold color scheme. Woven baskets and natural wood furniture elements connect the space to nature. 3. Ottoman trays. Decorative metal trays placed on ottomans can serve as a base for drinks, candles, or small decorative items. 4. Fresh flowers. A vibrant bouquet of fresh flowers in colorful hues adds a touch of life and fragrance to the space. Additional tips: consult with an interior designer familiar with Moroccan style for guidance on color selection, furniture choices, and sourcing authentic Moroccan decor elements. explore online retailers or local shops specializing in Moroccan handicrafts to find unique and beautiful decor pieces. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures. The key is to maintain a cohesive overall look that reflects your personal style and appreciation for Moroccan design. By following these steps and personalizing your design choices, you can create a stunning orange Moroccan living room that is both a feast for the eyes and a welcoming haven for relaxation and entertaining. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.